Hey guys, good morning. So just now I came back from tuition. So first of all, I'm going to have bath, and after that I will have breakfast, and then I will go for the writing work. So today I want to go outside for my some. I have some work, so I want to go outside. But I don't know when will I come first. When will I came from there? But today I want to complete my writing work first. So okay, so let's go. And first of all, I'm going to complete my work. Came back from tuition. I've ended. After that, I upload my some videos. So whatever I have pending, and after that I had breakfast, and now I'm going to complete my work. So okay, so my mobile was on charge, so I'm making this vlog on another mobile. So okay, so let's go and complete my overall writing work. So today I'll continue. I will sit continue for writing work. So let's. So guys, some time ago I have completed my sum of writing work. So now I am going to complete some diagrams. Remaining, so I will complete that. And guys, some time ago I went for the servicing of my bike, and there were so much crowd. So that's why I came back from there, and I'll go after 2 hours. So okay, so first of all I'm complete my regular task, and then I'll go for the remaining diagrams. I'll complete that. And today I have uploaded my eight videos, so that's I did not upload since 1 week. So okay, so uh, now I'm going to complete first meditation, and then I'll go for the my other task. So let's go and complete it. So guys, I have completed my meditation. So now I'm going to complete some of tasks like vocabulary and Duolingo. So let's go and complete that, and after that I'll draw the diagrams. And time will come. Time will up. Then I will go to the service center for bringing bike. So let's go and complete my work. So guys, some of work I have completed, but now I have to go because some okay, whatever we'll discuss in, will continue. I will when I came up from there. So now I am very hurry. So let's go. So guys, I just came back from service center. So now I'm going to have bath. So whole day I told that I'm going to take a bath, but I did not. And after that I had complete writing work for 2 to 3 hours, and then I went there. So just I came back from there. So okay, so first of all I'm going to have bath, and meditation I already did. So now after bath I will have meal, and then I'll go for the writing work. And also I have to complete my diagrams. And okay, so some overall task I will complete. Just to come I want to complete my writing work. So okay, so let's go and finish first my bath. So guys, before that I want to tell my today's challenges that first of all when I wake up early in the morning. After that I went to the tuition, and when I came back from there, my first challenge was that I want to finish my overall writing work, but I stuck to upload my videos, and that making thumbnails and uploading the videos. It been 2 hours, and after that came back I came in this room, and then I continuously complete my writing work. So today uh, I waste my time in some of rest, or not rest, but I think I want to finish my uploading video in just 1 hour. But that's because I did not upload the videos very fastly due to network speed. And also guys, today I want to complete overall task, but today overall writing work, but today I did not. And tomorrow is college, so I want to complete all the things, and I want to check up from there, but I did not. And I'm not tired, but my mind like just take a bath, and then after having meal, and then go for the bed. But I don't want that like that. So okay, and also guys, some time ago I feel demoted, and also now I'm feeling demoted due to my career. And I don't know what will happen in future, but I'm sure that I will do best from myself. and also guys, I'm improving slowly, but I think it is not good for me to improve slowly. So I want to now I have make a video since 7 months. So now I want to catch speed. And okay, so okay, so what we'll do, we'll discuss more after the completing all the thing. So okay, so let's go and take a bath. Guys, some time ago I had bath, and just now I complete my meal. So now uh, I'm going to complete my oral task, and then I'll go for the study. So my task is that I have to complete my uploading video, and then I'll go for the college. So okay, so guys, I'm very sleepy and tired now because I do. So okay, so now I'm going to complete my work. So and after that I'll sleep. So that's it for today's vlog. We will